Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I am doing a mystery. I came across a leisure sportswear website, BARA. I believe they're based in Norway or somewhere over there. And they were doing a mystery delivery of sportswear. So you basically paid, I think it was around £60, and you'll get 3 items and it's a surprise. And well, who doesn't love a surprise? So I was in the lookout. It wasn't like a random thing. I am actually in the lookout from sportswear. If you've watched my previous Stitch Fix videos, you'll see that I am looking for some sports gear. So I thought this is an ideal chance just to get something different. Certainly looking at their website and stuff, I really like the look of the stuff and their reviews were really good. So I thought I'd give it a try. So fingers crossed it's nice and fingers crossed it fits. So it's all paid for. It's not like a pay for what you keep. I mean, they do returns, obviously. So if something doesn't fit, you can return and you will get refunded for it. So I've cut it open, but I've not looked. So let's have a look and see. This is exciting. I have no idea what they've sent me. Ooh. It's orange. Looks like a maroon. Oh, it's only 2 items. I thought it was 3 items. Unless there's 2 in 1. I've got everything out the bag. Yep, that's everything out. Okay. So it's in a wee zip bag. Oh, it looks like this must be the bottoms, I think. Oh, I love the colour. So autumnal, isn't it? And we're going into autumn, so grand. Oh, I really like. Oh, I like that. Oh, I hope that looks nice on. Oh, it's got a pocket. Just a wee pocket there for your phone or your keys or whatever on that side. Oh, and there's one on this side. Like pockets, that's good. I'm really pleased with that. Love that. And let's see what's in the other bag. Oh, and it's a bra. Oh, it's a zip front bra. That's nice. I don't know if it'll fit. It's extra large. Don't know if it'll fit. I'm quite big in the old bosoms, so I struggle. I have to kind of go and get measured and fitted for my bras. So it'll be interesting to see if that fits and if it fits, if it holds them and supports them. I thought it was 3 items. Where's my... There's only 2 there. Where's my bit of paper gone? There it is. Oh, no, it is just 2 items. So it is a top and trousers. It must just be that then. I will go try them on. I don't know whether I will show you me in the bra. Don't come back thinking you might. Yeah, I don't think you. We'll see, but don't hold your breath. But I'll go try them on and I'll let you know. And yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, this is as close as I'm gonna get. You're not getting any closer. The bra is too small. Well, my boobs are in, but I'm kind of spilling out the side and there is 0 support. There's no way I could do any sort of exercise in these, any cardio. I couldn't go running in this. There's no support at all. But however, I do like the bottoms. I think they're really comfortable. They're squat proof, I have checked. And I just love the colours. And the high waist, I really like the bottoms. I really do. So the top, there's just 0 support at all. But yeah, I'm happy with the bottoms. I think I might send back the top. Because I will get the money back. The difference came for that. So there's no point with keeping it because I wouldn't wear it for any sport at all because it's just there's no support at all for me in it. But bottom wise, love them, and I just love the colours. I mean, the autumn colours, just perfect. We're going into autumn, so it's just absolutely perfect. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you like if you think the colours are nice and the suit me, whatever. But I am not getting any closer. You're not seeing this any closer. But that's all for now anyway, and I will speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye.